Howdy champs, my name is Mohit, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to make in Flash Professional CS 5.5. You could be using version 5 or 4, it still is alright, and ActionScript 3, and very little of it guys, just a dash of ActionScript 3, how to make a play stop toggle button. Alright, so let's talk less and show you a published preview first. So hitting Control Enter to test the movie guys, as they call it technically. This is the play button guys. I'm gonna hit it now, and you can hear the soothing music. It's a stop now. Okay, play and a stop. So it's a play and a stop toggle functionality. It's not play and pause guys. I've made yet another program in ActionScript 3 which has the play pause toggle functionality. That's a separate tutorial that I made. This one is all about a play and a stop. So when you hit the play button, it'll restart from the very beginning, from scratch. Right, and guys, the best part is, let me show you the ActionScript that is carrying this kind of program forward. Is barely 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines of ActionScript, and you're done. That's what is very cool about this program. All right. So guys, what I'll do is I will make this program from scratch. I'm going to say File on a New. Alright, select ActionScript 3, and as far as the stage is concerned, let me go with the 200 by 200. Okay, let me change the background color to a £333. Auto save at 10 minutes guys. Maybe this option doesn't come when you're using version 5. Anyways, I'm using version 5.5. Let me say OK. And guys, next what I need to do is I need to get in the assets. The first asset that I'll get in from Window, Common Libraries, Buttons. Alright, I'll go down to the category which is playback flat, and then I'll pull out a play and a stop button. So here we have the stop button, and here we have the play button. Okay, right now the size of the play and the stop button respectively are 25 by 25 each. I'm going to turn them to, I'm going to change it to 100 by 100, so that 25 becomes 100. Okay, out here as well 25 becomes 100 each. Okay, and then guys, I'll give them instance names. The stop button, I'll call it stop underscore btn. Okay, the play button, I'm gonna call it play underscore btn. Okay. Next guys, I'm gonna get in a sound that I need to play with the help of these buttons. I'm going to say File, New, Import to the library. Even if you say import to stage, it does not actually go to the stage, it goes to the library guys. So soothing music, royalty free, copyright free music guys. Okay, this is the music that I need to play. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll double click on the play underscore btn button. Okay, I'll make sure that I insert a new layer. And on the new layer guys, I don't need the hit state. I'm gonna right click and say remove frames, and for the new layer let me name it music. Alright, and in the down state guys, I'm gonna hit F7, and after doing that, from the library guys, I'm gonna pull the music, soothing music out. I'm gonna drop it on the stage. Cool. And have a look out here. Have a look out here. The music that we brought over has actually been you know, it's actually in the down state now. So when somebody clicks the button, the music should play. Cool. Let me go back to the main timeline guys, and then I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna double click on the stop underscore btn. Okay, I'll carry forward the same routine. I'll click on the new layer icon. I'll remove the hit state. I'll go to the down state, I'll press F7 to insert a blank keyframe, and from the library guys, I'm going to pull the same sound out. Alright, and then guys, now things are a little different now. I'll go to the properties. Okay, I'll make sure that the down state is selected. Let me call layer 2 music as well. Okay, I'll make sure the down frame is selected. And then guys, notice in the properties panel you can actually see the soothing underscore music.mp3, the name of the sound that I've just dropped, and in the sync I'm going to drop down, I'm going to select stop. Okay, and that's all that I need to do, guys. I'm going to go back to the main timeline. Cool. And then, guys, I'll make sure that my play button, play underscore BTN, comes right on top of stop underscore BTN. I'm going to select both of them together. I'm going to open up the Alliance tool. I'm going to make sure they are in the center of the stage, perfectly in the center of the stage. Okay, and let me call layer 1 assets, because that is where all the assets are lying. Basically, both the buttons are lying, and both the buttons in the down state carry the soothing music. Cool. Let me insert one more layer. Let me call it AS3, because that will be having the actionscript 3. Cool. Okay, and guys, I'm going to go back to the previous program with the previous flash file. I'm going to copy everything and I'm going to drop it in the new flash project. Okay, I'm going to drop it out here. Cool. And yeah, in fact, before I test it, let me explain how things actually work. Guys, it's a very simple, very basic script. What I've done is, to both the buttons play underscore BTN and stop underscore BTN, I've added event listeners of the type mouse click, and every time somebody clicks, a function called click handler is executed. And let's see what the function click handler does. All that this function click handler does, no matter whether you know, the play button or the stop button has been clicked, it will swap the children play underscore BTN and stop underscore BTN. So whichever button is on top, you know, goes at the bottom, and the one at the bottom comes on top. So basically they swap their positions, guys. Every movie clip has its own index number, starting index number 0. And through the swap children method, guys, we can actually swap their indices, their indexes. Okay, so basically I'm swapping their positions. So it's just like in Photoshop saying arrange, go to back, arrange, bring to front, you know, send to back, bring to front, kind of thing. So this is what is happening when somebody clicks on any of these buttons. Not only do they play the music as the music is in the down state of the button, guys. Okay, if you remember, the music is in the down state of the play button, and for the stop button, it's also there in the down state, but we made sure that if somebody clicks, it should come to a stop. Through the properties panel, I made sure that it should actually stop. So guys, the time is ripe to test the code. Let me hit Control Enter on the keyboard and show it to you. So Control Enter to test the movie. I'm going to hit the play button, guys. And the moment I do that, guys, you should have noticed that the play button actually turns to a stop button. That is because the play button has been sent to the back, and the stop button actually comes to the fore. Okay, so guys, this is how actually this code works. It works like a charm. It's pretty easy. Just have a look out here. Just you know, just 4 lines of ActionScript 3, nothing more, and everything else was done without the help of the coding. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you very soon with yet another Flash and ActionScript 3 tutorial. You have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Peace.